Sem že nazaj, pozdravljeni pa. Kaj novega?
Trenutno nič novega delamo na starih.
Dr. Romana Jordan Cizelj disproves the stereotype of the stay-at-home woman. Daughter, wife, mother, nuclear physicist, and member of the European Parliament. Some might add superwoman.
No, jaz bi rekla, da vsak poklic, ki ga človek resno opravlja, terja celega človeka. Tako da tu ne bi govorila v zvezi z menoj o nobenih superlativih. Utrujena sredi popoldneva pa še ne smem biti, saj človek potem, ko nekaj časa v takem tempu se ga navadi, in jaz pravim, da delo v Evropskem parlamentu te tako pritegne in potegne vase, da niti ne veš, kdaj mine dan.
Dr. Jordan was elected one of the MEPs for Slovenia in 2004.
Ja, bil je šok, res. Po eni strani sem bila zelo vesela, po drugi strani pa priznam, da se tisti trenutek nisem niti zavedala, kaj to pomeni, kako velika sprememba je to tako v profesionalnem življenju, kot tudi v družinskem življenju.
As an MEP, Dr. Jordan has to split that life between Strasbourg and here in Brussels, and her home back in Slovenia.
What do you think about the German decision going out of nuclear industry?
It's a tough schedule and may explain why fewer women than men succeed in politics. The proportion of female politicians in national parliaments of 27 countries of European Union goes from one extreme to the other. In Sweden, they represent 45% in national parliament, in Romania 11%, and in Malta just 9%.
And I think we can only allow people to vote in favor.
Here in the European Parliament, women represent just over a third of the 736 members.
Razlog za to tudi to, da je politika bolj pisana na moško dušo. Ženske se namreč težje kot moški postavimo v ospredje in nekako komuniciramo z javnostmi. Raje smo nekje bolj zadaj in vodimo projekt od zadaj. Nekateri pravijo kot pridne mravljice.
If a woman talks at the micro, men, which are the majority at the time, listen even more carefully.
Petru Luhan should know he's a man and a fellow member of the European Parliament representing Romania.
But the lady has to bring up constructive ideas. I always say the competencies do not have genders.
But, though a minority in power, women do have a particular contribution to make, a female perspective. That's the view of sociologist Milan Zver, another MEP, and, like Dr. Jordan, from Slovenia.
We do not need another iron lady in politics, in European democracy probably. We need female approach. We need feminine ladies, not men ladies, in politics. So that could be added value in politics today. I think women can create much more holistic politics.
Darko, pozdravljen. Halo, je kaj novega?
It's still the case that women, like Dr. Jordan, have generally to be more dedicated and more hardworking than men to climb the political ladder. Ultimately, though, only the voters can put them there.